Madeira is renowned for its rich variety of high-quality national produce that reflects the island's unique climate and traditions. Tropical fruits such as ananas, pineapple, maracuja, passion fruit, and banana are celebrated for their intense flavor and freshness. Growth in fertile volcanic soil. This island gastronomy also features iconic specialties like grilled linnets, bolducaco, traditional bread, and poncha, a popular local drink made with sugarcane rum, honey, and citrus. Alongside these are excellent cheese, flavored meats prepared using traditional methods, and the world-famous Vinho da Madeira, a fortified one-priced international for its complexity and heritage. Madeira operates a self-contained island economy with advantages that extend beyond lifestyle. Strong public service, private healthcare, international air links, and marina infrastructure support daily life, while business-friendly framework and tax efficiencies for investors and entrepreneurs offers advantage. They are often more attractive than mainland Portugal, reinforcing long-term residential and investment demand. Through Portugal Pathways exclusive mandates with over 250 leading luxury new homes developers, buyers can access unique off-plan and off-market luxury new homes. Contact our team today.